Hello everyone. In today's session, we'll discuss Agile Team and Coordination. For this particular topic, I have referred a textbook written by Roger Traceman. In the previous lecture, already we have discussed management spectrum with people attribute which constitute stakeholders, software teams, team leaders. In today's session, we proceed our discussion with agile teams and coordination issues. A small, highly motivated project team is also called as agile team. So, team member must have trust in one another. So, this agile team adopts many of the characteristics of successful software project teams. Okay. This point we have already discussed in previous sessions. So, the agile philosophy stresses individual team members with competency coupled with group collaboration as a critical success factor of the team. So, the distribution of skills must be appropriate to the problem. Monotrics may have to be excluded from the team, and if team cohesiveness is to be maintained. So, such type of team is also called as self-organizing team, which is constituted with adaptive team structure, okay, which uses elements of constants, random, open as well as synchronous paradigms, and which is having significant autonomy. This agile philosophy encourages customer satisfaction, okay, early incremental delivery of the software, small but highly motivated project team, informal methods, and development simplicity. That's why small motivated team is nothing but the agile team. So this philosophy stresses on individual competence, which are coupled with group collaboration as a critical success. This is also called as self-organizing team. So as the project proceeds, the individual competency which might be improved in such a way that it will be beneficial to the project itself. Okay, so to improve the individual competency, this agile team conducts the daily meeting, okay, for coordinating as well as synchronizing the work. The information obtained during this meeting is used to adopt the useful approach for software development. And next, we have team coordination and communication issues. So, there are many reasons that software projects get into trouble, right? So, the scale of many development efforts is large, and which leads to the complexity as well as confusion. So, uncertainty is a common resulting in a continuing stream of changes that generally happens in project team. So, interoperability has become the key characteristics of many systems. So, new software must communicate with existing software and confirm the predefined constraints imposed by the system or product. So, these characteristics of a modern software provides scale, uncertainty, as well as interoperability, which are the facts of real life. So, it deals with effectively as well as for the development of the software. So, here we must establish effective methods for coordinating the people to do the work. So to perform these mechanisms for formal as well as informal communication among team members as well as between multiple teams must be established. So formal communication is accomplished through writing structured meetings as well as other relatively non-interactive and interpersonal communication channels. But informal communication is more personal. Members of a software team share the ideas on an ad hoc basis. Okay, they can ask for help as problems arise, as well as they can interact with one another on a daily basis. So team coordination can be in formal way as well as informal way. So these are the approaches with formal impersonal approach, formal interpersonal approach, informal interpersonal via electronic communication as well as via networking. They can coordinate and communicate with each other for the software development. So this is all about agile team and coordination issues